Hi, welcome to this channel. If you're thinking about making YouTube videos or you are already making them, did you know that you can start earning money right away, even before reaching the YouTube partnership program's requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to achieve that from day one of your YouTube journey. The idea is to sign up with the Amazon affiliate program. Every time you mention a product in your video, such as your camera, microphone, or a book, you can earn a commission on those items. Now let me demonstrate how you can set it up. That way, while you're growing your YouTube channel, you can start accumulating an income stream. Alright, let's get right into it. Step 1. Sign up. Go to Amazon.com website, scroll down to the bottom of the home page and click on Become Affiliate. I've left the link in the description if you have trouble finding it. It doesn't matter which country you are in, you can create a login by clicking on Sign Up and entering all your details. Then click Continue. You need to add the link to your YouTube channel, website, or any other social media account to your Amazon affiliate account. This is where you will be promoting Amazon products or links. In my case, I simply go to my YouTube channel, then to Customize Channel, and further to Basic Info to find my channel URL. Copy it and paste it into the space below, enter your website on the Amazon sign up page. Then click Add button and proceed to the next step. Make sure you click No when Amazon asks to confirm if any of your traffic sources are primarily directed at children under 13. After selecting No, confirm your choice. The next step is to create a preferred associate store ID and inform them about the content you are creating. Ideally, click on blog content or a niche website when asked to describe your content. I've heard from other sources that it's best not to click on the search option, as Amazon doesn't appreciate people using paid advertising to promote their products. Once you made your choices, tick the box agreeing to the terms and conditions, and you are finished. They will send you a confirmation email once your application is approved. The great thing is that there isn't a threshold based on the number of subscribers you must have or the size of your channel. Just remember, you need to generate at least 3 qualified sales in a 6-month period. Otherwise, they may terminate your account. However, you can still reapply if you don't make any sales within 6 months. Step 2. Set up OneLink to get international traffic. To set up OneLink, first go to the Tools drop-down tab and click on OneLink. Then click Get Started and proceed to add countries. I recommend selecting all countries just in case you have viewership from all over the world. Click Next and tick the box at the bottom to accept the terms and conditions. After that, click Submit. So, for any of your viewers who reside in the countries you just selected, when they buy something through your link, you will earn a commission. Amazon will direct them to their closest store to make the purchase. For example, if someone from Poland wants to buy something through your link, Amazon will redirect them to their local or nearest Amazon storefront instead of the original link, which could be from the US or the UK. You can see the settings for this on the OneLink. Redirect preferences in the drop-down tab of Tools. If for some reason Amazon doesn't allow you to add certain countries, like in my case with the Netherlands, Poland, and Sweden, when you try to confirm, there will be an error prompt stating, "We are unable to globalize your store, please try again." In this situation, I highly suspect that you need to go to those countries' Amazon website, sign up again, create a store, and link it to your OneLink. However, I'm not too bothered at this stage since I don't get much traffic from those countries. If I start getting more traffic from those locations in the future, I will consider signing up for their respective Amazon stores. Make sure you set up the payment method for your future commissions. For me, I've set up my New Zealand bank account, which works for the US account, but not for the rest of the European accounts for some reason. However, I'm not too concerned since the majority of my views coming from the US. Also, don't forget to add your tax information. Depending on where you live, you might need to consult a tax accountant about that. As a non-tax resident of US and Canada, I selected the option of non-tax resident for both countries. Step 3. Start promoting. In one of my videos where I showcase my YouTube gear setup, I included all the links to the recommended gear in the description. Let me walk you through how to do that. First, go to Amazon and search for the relevant product. In this case, I'm promoting the Sony ZV-10 camera. Find a seller on Amazon who offers this particular camera. Then click on the Get Link option. Copy the link and paste it into my description for the camera. This way, anyone who clicks on the link and purchases the camera will earn me a commission. One thing to notice is that even if they don't end up buying the exact camera I promoted, but instead click on some other related product, I still have the potential to earn a commission for it. For instance, in my earnings history, someone purchased a wireless lavalier microphone for a Type-C phone, which was not the product I directly promoted or linked in the description. The one I was promoting is the Rode microphone. So it's evident that they probably found the one that they bought through my link and then clicked on some other related product. How cool is that? I still get to earn a commission of 66 cents. It might not be a significant amount, but it's still kind of cool, right? There you go. All you need to do is spend a little time in the beginning to set it up, especially if you're posting evergreen videos, meaning that people will continue searching for similar content or topics years after you first made the video. The chances are it will continuously drive traffic to the affiliate links, increasing the possibility of people making purchases over time. To be honest, I'm still a small channel and haven't reached the threshold of joining a YouTube partner program. Nevertheless, every time I log into my Amazon affiliate account, I can see that I'm making little progress. So far, I've managed to earn full modest commission from people buying stuff through my links. I know it may not seem like much, but it's very encouraging to see that I'm making some sort of small progress. I believe that as my channel grows, I will drive more traffic to Amazon, and my commission will stack up over time. It's kind of cool, right? Hopefully this video provides you with useful information and encouragement to set up your Amazon affiliate program, so you can start earning money right away. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's embark on this journey together and turn it into a fulfilling career that grants us the financial freedom in the near future. Oh, before you go, please also leave a comment whether you are already signed up with the program and have earned commissions from it, or if you're thinking about it. I would love to know your thoughts. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.